our honored guests, distinguished administrators, our beloved principal, esteemed teachers, and my fellow students, a most lovely day to all of us. Today, as we gather to celebrate our accomplishments, we stand at a significant milestone in our journey through high school. Each one of us has embarked on this path with dreams in our hearts, aspirations in our minds, and the determination to excel. Today, we are here not just to bask in the glory of our achievements, but also to acknowledge the dedication, perseverance, and sacrifices that have paved the way for our success. Throughout our years in high school, we have encountered numerous challenges and obstacles. From the demanding academic curriculum to extracurricular pursuits, from personal struggles to moments of doubt, we have faced them all with resilience and fortitude. We have learned that success is not merely about talent or intelligence, but about the willingness to work hard, to push ourselves beyond our limits, and to never give up, even in the face of adversity. However, none of this would have been possible without the unwavering support of our teachers, mentors, parents, and our Almighty God. They have been our guiding lights, inspiring us, encouraging us, and believing in us even when we doubted ourselves. Their guidance has not only shaped our academic pursuits, but has also instilled in us the values of integrity, compassion, and perseverance that will guide us on our future endeavors. As we celebrate our achievements today, let us also remember that this is just the beginning of a lifelong journey of learning, growth, and self-discovery. Let us embrace the challenges that lie ahead with courage and optimism, knowing that with hard work and perseverance, there is no limit to what we can achieve. As we stand on the brink of a new chapter in our lives, let us not forget the lessons we have learned and the experiences that have shaped us. Let us carry forward the spirit of determination, the thirst for knowledge, and the commitment to excellence that have brought us to this moment. Let us continue to dream big, to set goals, and to pursue our passions with unwavering dedication. Congratulations, fellow achievers, and may our future be as bright as the promise of today. Thank you.